Hi guys, it's David, August University here, and today I'm going to review and go over Lux Algo, advanced trading signals application, and we're going to review it and tell you what I think so far after I got in. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're going to break down Lux Algo. I've been tempted to try this software out for a while now. I do some day trading, and I utilize Trading View, this graph software here, this website, to utilize my trades, right? So I can buy in, sell, or even when I'm just watching the chart to see what might be a good opportunity, okay? So if you guys are new to trading, this Lux Algo is a really, really nice software that helps you trade. It's not going to do the job for you, but it will give you the right signals to help you have a better chance of success. Okay. And I actually really love it. And it's hard to look at the graphs without the software right now because you get used to the signals that it gives you. It's just a nice tool that you can utilize to step up your game, whether you're a newbie in the trading markets or you're an advanced trader. Okay. Just some extra support so that you're not just in your own head and letting your feelings take action on your trades, right? Sometimes we let emotion take control, and that can make us fail when it comes to trading, okay? So I'm going to show you here Lux Algo. I'm going to move myself out of the way, right? Lux Algo is basically a software you integrate. It gives you some signals and integrates right into your Trading View account. Okay, once you sign up for Trading View, it's free. I'll include the link for Trading View in the description as well as Lux Algo if you guys decide to go for it. And just keep in mind, if you guys get in, it's 20% off with this code, NE20. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description here. Make sure and I'll put the code in the description as well, so you guys get your savings when you decide to get in. So enhance your charts, get advanced signals. Gain an edge in the market using our advanced system of trading tools for TradingView, right? 90% of traders are unsuccessful, but why? Emotions and noisy charts. To increase chances of being a profitable trader, you need your own system that cancels out the noise and encourages you to enter and exit positions unemotionally. So that's the thing. We go passionate about certain projects, certain cryptocurrencies, certain stocks, and then we lose focus, and sometimes we sell too early or we don't sell at all, okay? Or we're buying at the wrong time when everyone else is buying. So this is version 3 of the software. They've developed an advanced system of trading tools designed to help you create your own strategies and get signals at the best times. So yeah, it's a mobile app as well as a desktop app. And it doesn't have its own app per se. It's integrated into the Trading View software, okay? So you can do this from your mobile, which I really, really love on the go, or you can do this from your desktop office here. So it's very simple. You also get a Discord included as well with some advanced trading signals, some information. And I really, really like the Discord. A lot of information gives you some extra peace of mind when it comes to what's included with the software, right? So access to every Lux Algo indicator on TradingView, VIP Discord group with scanners and callouts, real-time alerts, and great service, free lifetime updates, and cancel anytime. All right. Trusted by over 10,000 plus traders so far. All right. So when you go to get access now, you're going to have a couple plans here. And you're going to have a monthly plan, which is $67.99 a month. But if you want to save a little bit of income, you really want to give this a fair shot for a while. So it's great to do monthly, but if you do the quarterly, if you look at it, you're saving quite a bit of money to go quarterly. So that's probably what I would do. But that's what I did. I want to save a little bit of money. So far, definitely worthwhile. If you have a little bit more money again, you can do the yearly plan, but maybe start the quarterly or the monthly, okay? Gives you a fair shot of trying it. I really like it. There's some other ones out there like Trend and and some other software out there, but Lux Algo has been around quite a while now. And so far, so good. I do really love it. Now I'm going to show you actually the software here. So let's say you're looking at Apple. Once you plug into the algorithm here, they'll give you like a little invite, right? So I'm going to go to graphs, indicators and strategies. So they're actually going to give you a invite only script, right? Which invites you in. Then you can add it to your charts here. Okay. Then you're going to get that buy and sell signal there. That's the main one I use right now. You can add, you can use the other algorithms as well, but I just want to show you the basics. I don't want to overwhelm you. I'm still learning the software as well, but you can go to different trading view minutes based on the charts. You can time it like 30 minutes, a minute. I actually trade a lot with day trading in the minute chart, right? And as you can see, you know, sell, it tells you when to sell, it tells you when to buy. But I find that the software works more accurately with, you know, that 5 minute to 15-minute interval. So let's see here. As you notice, this is Apple, for example, when it reached $137, it was signaling that it's about to drop a little bit there. So you can actually see that it was time to sell, right? You can actually go back a little bit more here again. This was a good buying opportunity at the 127, and then it kept skyrocketing up here. And then it was a good time to sell at 137. See, so these are different views you can look at depending on the, you know, the time of chart you're looking at, 15-minute, 30-minute. Here's Tesla, same thing. You know, it was time to buy as you see some momentum upward, and then boom, right? Same thing here. We're at 855. Things are starting to move downward. It's time to sell, take your profits, right? And get out. So it's pretty accurate. I wouldn't say you want to 100% depend on it, but it's pretty accurate. Right here again, buy signal, and it moved upwards, right? So you want to experiment. You can also adjust your settings here to adjust your sensitivity levels. So they give you the training once you're inside of where to adjust your sensitivity. I find when I'm trying to get the smaller amount of minutes on my chart, I lowered it to the smaller number, right, for sensitivity and agility. But you guys can experiment with that yourself. And I will drop future videos as well. So would I recommend this? I 100% recommend this. You can also look at a cryptocurrency, which I'm heavy into cryptocurrency as well. You know, sell signal here at 1271, boom, drops down. Okay. When it was time to buy at 1214, it told you to buy, boom, sell. And it's pretty accurate here, especially with Ethereum. So I'm a big hodler of Ethereum and Bitcoin, but you know, I'm gonna put some aside so I can do some day trading with this, utilizing the software. It's been working wonders so far, and I'm looking forward to learning more about it and utilizing it more. If you guys have questions, comment below. Please hit the like button. And for everyone viewing my videos, I would appreciate your subscription. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And please help me out with that by hitting subscribe. And I do have a referral link for Lux Algo. If you guys want to take action and get it, give it a shot. It's been helping me a lot. If you guys want to try it out, only way to find out is to try it, okay? So click on the link below in the description and the comment section, and you guys can get in, and I'll put the code for the discount as well. And you know, good luck trading. I've been loving this trading stuff. Make sure if you don't use TradingView, make sure you get it. It's free to start. It's a free for the basic chart, and then you can upgrade there as well. But you know, the free software is fun. But Lux Algo, if you want my opinion, should you get it? Definitely, I do recommend it. If you guys want to take action today, click on the link below. This is David Wynn, August University, and I'll see you guys in the next video.